Uh, you're good, huh? You can start, huh? Yeah, you're good, you're good. On est parti, premier match. Hikaru, Burn Blue, c'est du round 1 de pool, hein, donc c'est chill. Double Blitzcrank. Ça va s'attraper de partout. Ça va 50-50 de partout. Allez, c'est parti. Ok, directement on tente overhead et tout. Command grab, j'ai pas trop compris. Il a très bon push block. La balle qui va grab dans le vide, donc on va avoir un beau combo. Un combo bizarre. Il a fait un limit strike dans les airs. Il a fait rebondir 2 fois contre le mur dans le même combo. L'overhead qui passe pas cette fois, on a les deux. Au force le break. Ok, le jeu de jambes qui permet de passer de l'autre côté. On rate l'électrique. Bon. C'est un match de fou. Mais pas fou dans le bon sens. C'est des enjouilleurs. Des prises de décision, vraiment, ouais. Là, on était un peu trop loin pour toucher comme un grab de bro. On va avoir un bon combo sur le blitz. Ouais, et là, c'est le vibe qui va venir faire le boulot. J'attends tellement blitz, mais on est deux, gros. Le gars, il est trop hype, c'est une folie. C'est une folie, c'est une folie, c'est une folie. C'est comment pour manger? Tu vas aller à la Vegas? Ouais, de ouf. Il y a grave des kebabs et tout. À 2 minutes de mon hôtel, il y a un grec halal. Il y a grave des Pakistanais, tout ça, tu vois. Il y a des mosquées partout. Ça, c'est pas un problème. Hein. C'est mon joueur préféré. Ma blitz est trop incroyable. Hein. Même moi, hors français, c'est mon joueur préféré. Hein. C'est quoi les prochains matchs intéressants prévus? Bah, pour être honnête, en pool, le premier jour, il n'y a pas trop de matchs intéressants, je crois. Parce que t'as soit des matchs entre des débutants, soit des matchs entre un bon joueur et un débutant. Tu vois. À part peut-être, vas-y, la finale de pool, ça peut aller. Mais il y a des joueurs intéressants, tu vois. Le premier jour, il n'y a pas de match intéressant, mais il y a des joueurs intéressants, tu vois. Donc on va avoir Blitz sur cette wave, on va avoir Blitz, on va avoir Diaphone, on va avoir Masao, un gros joueur japonais, on va avoir Run, un français. Là, il y a K7 derrière moi, je vais lui demander si les choses passaient vite fait. Hey K7, are you done to come? Ouais, il me parle, il me parle. K7, you're done to come? Je voulais dire, il faut que c'est un joueur intéressant. What's up? I have a few questions if you don't mind. Okay, you can take that. Mike check. How are you doing? Everything alright?
Yeah, everything great. Wish! Wish, my French brothers.
What's up?
Hello guys, how are you doing?
So I'm with K7, one of the best Yasuo players since the beginning of the game.
Oh,
And now one of the best Thresh. And I have a few questions about Thresh because you know I'm watching a bit of tournaments. I've seen your Thresh is very good.
thank you.
He's a new character and I can tell that you are committing a lot on him. What do you think about the character?
I think the character is amazing.
Okay.
He's very good, and I think what Yasuo lacks, Thresh helps him out a lot. Like, he helps complete Yasuo as a character. He helps complete Yasuo as a character. What's up, brother? How you doing?
Take it.
Yeah, Thresh's assist is really good, and I think he does good against the zoners of the game.
Yeah.
So like, Yasuo does good against the zoners, and Thresh both doing good against the zoners, especially with Timo in the meta. I think it makes Purple Team to be very strong.
Okay, so you think Yasuo right now is not necessarily at a very great spot, but with Thresh, he became good?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, I agree. I think if you play Yasuo, like, Yasuo is good if you play him with Thresh, Timo, and Ari.
Jinx?
Kind of. Jinx, yes, but Jinx in duo, I think.
Enjoy, yeah.
Yeah, because the twins, obviously, they show that, yeah, it's
Yeah.
very, very good. But I think it's a bit harder to do as solo, but I still think it's playable solo.
Okay.
So those are probably his best teams, like Thresh, Timo, Ari, and Jinx, I would say.
Okay. And what do you think makes Thresh so good?
I think what makes him so good is his full screen presence.
Yeah.
So like he has very good neutral. So you can't like can't be lazy with like assist calls.
Yeah.
You can't like challenge the character in certain places on the screen. It makes him really like dangerous as well.
Okay.
Because his OP is really good. So if he gets a hit and he gets like a good combo enter, then he gets a good situation after. So it's like it's really risky to get hit by the character, and if you do get hit, he'll make you pay for it. I think that's why he's really strong.
Okay. That makes sense.
Yeah, of course. I think also that his block strings are not that good. That would be like the one weakness I would say. Like,
Yeah.
if he has you in a block string, then it can be hard to keep himself safe. So sometimes you could like try to steal a turn or like do things that don't necessarily work, but they can help you keep your offense going.
Okay, makes sense. Yes, thank you.
Yeah, he's a very solid character. I love Thresh, and I love the way that they synergize as well. I think it's probably Yasuo's best team. I think so. I think so.
Yeah, they seem to synergize very well. Yeah.
Yeah, they very much do. A lot of damage and combos and a great Oki, great mix-up for sure.
Okay. But can't wait to see you in this tournament.
Thank you. I think I have a good chance. I think I have a good chance to do very well.
I hope so.
I'm very confident. So.
I hope to see you Sunday.
Yeah, I'm hoping to be there Sunday. It'll be
Sure.
probably my first Evo top 8.
Already?
Yeah, besides Evo Friends when they did 2X and I got fourth, but like this is like they actually have the game at the tournament.
Yeah.
Thousands of entrants, right? And it'll be my first time to be able to.
It's one of the main game on the last day, etc. So
Yeah,
it's good.
absolutely. It'll be very huge, and I'm very excited.
I hope so for you, but not against French.
Yeah.
But I hope you will be in top 8.
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate it. I do have a few of the French players I think in my path, but I have to see again. I'm not too sure.
Yeah.
But I still feel very good and very confident.
We see. When is your wave?
At 7 p.m.
Okay.
7 p.m.
You don't mind to play on stream?
No, I don't.
Okay. I will ask for you.
Yeah, if I get to play, yeah, sure, I would love to. Yeah, absolutely. But I'll let you get back to it. I'm gonna go see if I can get some games with the international players.
For sure.
Thank you, Chess. I appreciate it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Later, chat. Take it easy, guys.
C'était le frérot K7, comme vous avez pu le voir. Hein. Même si vous comprenez pas le français, je pense que vous avez remarqué. Trop un bon gars. Et du coup, je lui ai posé des questions. On dirait, les gars, je vous ai pas trop parlé au hasard, hein, parce qu'il a un peu dit ce que je disais tout à l'heure. En gros, il disait que Yasuo, tout seul, le perso en lui-même, en ce moment, il est pas ouf. Mais que Yasuo avec Thresh est super fort. Genre, les deux persos synergisent tellement bien que ça remet Yasuo dans la méta. Il disait que un des éléments qui rend Thresh super fort, c'est sa présence full screen en fait.